have you ever thought like, wow, I have a great idea, it would be nice to share it with someone? So, you're in the right place. Hello everyone, want to take a look at my new game? Of course you want. One day, while coding some random meaningless stuff, I got an idea of creating a dark adventure game with the little guy as a main character. Considering the fact that there are literally tons of similar projects, I was confused at first, but the faith inside told me to move on and start the long journey to the masterpiece. Firstly, I took a random person from the asset store and played with his materials and shaders. Now he looks this way. After that, I gave him some movements. The hardest thing was animation. I wanted to make it really smooth, but connections between animations were really weak. Then I made some of them by myself and got some from the Mixamo studio. Some of the animations were buggy, like one was higher than another by y-axis, so I started searching for the ideal one. And now they look somehow more realistic and smooth. Another thing that I wanted to do was to make some new mechanics like pushing, ropes, and ladders, and there were no problems. So then my head got empty, and now I have no freaking idea of where to go next. And here's your time to help me. Maybe someone can write his own scenario for this game. This game should be sad and interesting at the same time. What stuff should be added, and what should be removed? How do you personally see this game? What will be really engrossing for you? So, comment this video with your ingenious ideas. Maybe your word will become a big part of something legendary. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. See you soon.